Hello, my dear student. My name is Yaqub Ali. I am a postgraduate teacher, and I have also B.Ed degree. Today, I shall discuss about coordinate geometry, which from Cbse curriculum, class 9th. We shall discuss about theme 1, the coordinate geometry. We are going to discuss today. Today, we shall discuss about the introduction of coordinate geometry, class 9 Cbse. Coordinate geometry. Before entering this one, we have to know the number line. Suppose this is a horizontal number line. Suppose it's a origin, and the right side will be positive numbers and left side of negative numbers. Now is a horizontal line, and horizontal line is called x-axis. The horizontal line. Another line we say it's a vertical through origin. Then it will, suppose here one, it's a positive direction and there is a negative direction. Then it will called vertical line, and vertical line is called y-axis. Here we already drawn x dash ox will be x-axis, and vertical line is called y-axis, and the x-axis and y-axis intersect at point O. It's called origin. We have to know that x-axis and y-axis intersect at a point O, which is called origin. We must remember this one. यहाँ पे अगर कहीं भी पॉइंट हो, किसी भी पॉइंट हो, वहां पे एक ऑर्डर पेयर होगा जिससे बोलेगा एक्स वाई. X means x coordinate and y means y coordinate. Suppose here is a point. Here is a point. How shall we reach there? हमें यहाँ कैसे पहुंचना है? पहले we have to start from origin. After starting from origin, we must go through the x-axis. Go through x-axis. To reach this point, we can't go through the negative direction. We must go through the positive direction. When we go through the positive direction, we must reach the 5 units from the origin. After reaching the 5, we have to go upward side. It means ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. कितना यूनिट जाना पड़ेगा? We have to check the y-axis positive directions. It's a 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit, and it will be the position. And we have to write the x-axis first, x coordinate first. X coordinate here is 5 and y coordinate is 3. Here already write and see, the first number is an order pair, is called x coordinate or abscissa, and the second number is called y coordinate or ordinate. Here 5 will be x coordinate or abscissa, and secondly 3 will be y coordinate or ordinate. Now I am giving another example. Suppose there is a point here. How shall we reach there? We shall reach, we always start from origin. Origin के बाद अब हमें पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तो we can't reach the point. That's why we have to go through the negative direction of x-axis. Negative direction of x-axis we have to reach 4 unit left side. After reaching this position हमें कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. ऊपर कितना यूनिट जाना पड़ेगा? 3 unit. 1, 2, 3 units जाना पड़ेगा, and we shall got the point, and we shall reach the position, and it will be minus direction. It means x coordinate, and ऊपर जाते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? 3 यूनिट मिलता है, तो इट विल बी द पॉइंट। एंड और हमें अभी क्या करना है, एक चीज हमें देखना है कि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में जितना भी पॉइंट होगा वो दोनों पॉजिटिव होगा, और सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में जितना भी नंबर होगा वो क्या होगा, पहला वाला x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा माइनस, y कोऑर्डिनेट होगा प्लस। एंड इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट वी शैल फाउंड द x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate also negative, and the fourth coordinate क्या होगा, x coordinate और abscissa होगा पॉजिटिव और y coordinate होगा नेगेटिव। सपोज p is a point here and x and y denotes the coordinate of a point p. Now we come to the, suppose we are taking an example. Suppose here is a point, it's a 5, 4. Now the distance, the point have two distance from x-axis also, y-axis also. Now ordinate abscissa of a point P. What is the abscissa of a point P? Abscissa is the perpendicular distance. Is the perpendicular distance. Abscissa is the perpendicular distance of a point P from y-axis. Suppose is a point P. Perpendicular distance will be 5, and ordinate of the point P, perpendicular distance of a point P from x-axis, and ordinate here, ordinate is a 4. Ordinate will be the perpendicular distance from x-axis. What is the perpendicular distance here? There are 4 units. That's why abscissa will be 5 here and ordinate will be 4. I am taking another example. Suppose here is a point. To reach this point, we have to go through the x-axis positive directions 5 unit and down 3 unit. That's why positive 5 and negative 3. What is the perpendicular distance from x-axis? Perpendicular distance will be 3 unit, and perpendicular distance from y-axis will be 5 unit, and perpendicular distance from y-axis will be abscissa, and perpendicular distance from y-axis will be 3 unit. It's a ordinate. How much is ordinate? -3. Now suppose here is a point, then how shall we reach this point? We have to reach this, we go through the x-axis positive direction, we have to reach 5 unit, and we can go through upper side also, lower side also. That's why it will be 0. And suppose we reach here, same as the number. Suppose we have to reach 2 unit of the right side of the x-axis, and we can go upside also, downside also. Can't go. That's why it will be 0. And suppose in the left side, here is a point. We have to go through the negative direction of x-axis. That's why -4, and it will be 0. We are noticing something that 0, 0, 0. It means point on x-axis, ordinate will be 0. That's why the point lie on x-axis, then the ordinate will be 0. The coordinate of a point on x-axis are the form. It is the general form of any point on the x-axis will be x0, and as ordinate will be always 0. And taking another example, suppose here is a point. We have to start from origin. We can go through the right side of the x-axis and left side of the x-axis, because when we go through right side, then we can't reach. That's why we have to go through direct y-axis positive direction. Since we can't go any side of the x-axis, that's why it will be 0. X coordinate will be 0. And since we are हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए हमें क्या करना है, 5 यूनिट जाना पड़ेगा. we are taking next example. Suppose अगर हमें इस पॉइंट तक पहुंचना है तो व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. We can't go right side of the x-axis, we can't go through left side of the x-axis. That's why it will be 0. X coordinate will be 0. We have to go down side. It will be 3. With same thing, we are noticing something. It's x coordinate 0. Any point on y-axis having x coordinate 0, it must be remembered. And the point lie on y-axis, then the abscissa equal to 0. The coordinate of a point on y-axis are the form 0, 1. We have to remember, and we must remember this much.